the next week, ginawa ko ulit. So, dalawa sila.
Perfect. Dapat pantay.
Oo. Tapos yung iyak ko, hindi sasakit. Yung sa kakikiyan.
Dapat next time.
Kaya, yun lang yung piece of advice. Wow. Mga piece of advice, agad-agad. Parang talagang tignan niyo po where you're going. I know it sounds so basic, but talagang minsan, ang saya-saya kasi ng umaga minsan. Looking at